In the living room, we'll be talking about security, falls, fire and burn prevention, poisoning, choking, strangulation, and suffocation issues, electrical shock, and weather emergencies. To secure the living room, replace short screws in the lock plate with at least 2.5-inch screws so the lock cannot be easily forced. Door windows must be small and remote from the lock so that an intruder cannot easily break the window and reach the lock. If you have security bars in your windows, make sure you know how to open them quickly in an emergency. For added security, install a timer light that comes on and goes off when you're not at home. Closed curtains and drapes will make it hard for a possible intruder to know if anyone is home. Provide walk path lighting or motion detection lighting to light your way. Remove clutter from walkways to decrease tripping. Area rugs provide opportunities for falls. On hard surface areas, make sure they are non-slip backed or attached with double-sided tape. Furnishings such as bookshelves and large TVs create an opportunity for a child to climb. They could fall while reaching for that interesting item, or they could tip the furniture onto themselves. Therefore, attach taller pieces of furniture to the wall, and be careful what you store on display up high. Smoke alarms save lives. Codes require that there be one in each bedroom, one outside of each bedroom area, and at least one on each level of the home. Test smoke alarms at least once a month. Replace batteries in the spring and in the fall when we move from standard to daylight savings time. Some homes are now equipped with residential sprinkler systems. These devices knock down fires quickly to ensure you have time to escape. And if you're planning to build a new home or remodel an existing one, ask your contractor about home fire sprinkler systems. Smoking is the #1 cause of home fire deaths. If smoking is allowed in the home, use only sturdy, deep ashtrays on solid surfaces to dispose of ashes and cigarette butts. Smoldering cigarettes can cause fires hours later. Always check furniture and trash cans for smoldering cigarettes, especially after get-togethers at your home. Before disposing of smoking materials in trash cans, wet them with water. Candles also cause many home fires. Place them in areas where they are away from any other combustibles, out of reach of children. Only allow candles to be lit when someone is in the room and awake. Remember this rule: space heaters need space. Provide 3 feet of clearance around any portable heating device to any combustible. Make sure heaters are not on carpet or any other readily combustible surface. Remember this rule: 1 outlet, 1 plug to prevent electrical overload. Running cords under rugs may wear out the cord or cause the cord to overheat. Do not place cords under rugs or furniture. Appliances such as lamps, televisions, stereos, etc. should be in good working order. Faulty, frayed cords or appliances in disrepair should be unplugged, repaired, or disposed of. As with every room in a home, always have two means of escape. Make sure that the door and window locks are easy to unlock. Seconds count in fire evacuation. Some household plants are poisonous to humans and pets. Before you buy the pretty plant, check to see if it's possibly poisonous. Pick up a plant guide in the literature racks in the garage. Place household chemicals out of reach of children. These help prevent poisoning issues. Small items such as toys, hard candy, peanuts can all be a choking hazard for small children. These items should be out of reach. Also, infants should not be placed on soft, thick blankets or pillows as they are known to cause suffocation. Firm areas such as a carpeted floor are much safer for the child's nap. Curtain and drape strings can strangle a small child. Cut the ends or secure them above the reach of children. Check online at www.cpsc.gov for information about recalled toys or other dangerous household items. Remember this rule of thumb. If an object fits inside a toilet paper tube, that object is a choke hazard for small children. And objects like garbage bags and dry cleaning bags can be a suffocation hazard to children. Keep plastic bags out of children's reach. Now let's talk about shock prevention. Previously we spoke of frayed cords or appliances in disrepair. Replace or repair these items also to prevent shock. Outlet covers should be placed on all outlets not in use to prevent little fingers from shock. Plan ahead. Weather emergencies can develop within minutes, and emergency kits should be prepared in advance for all weather emergencies. There's a brochure in the literature racks in the garage for lists of items you should have prepared. During inclement weather, keep an eye and ear to the media for warnings and instructions, and follow those instructions promptly to reduce the potential of injury. To your left are the bedrooms, bathroom, and furnace area, and to your right is the laundry, kitchen, and garage area. Please proceed to your area of interest. This slide is intended to be the launch point for the PowerPoint. By selecting the language, you will be automatically launching the tour in the language you prefer for the individual room. The only other button on this page will be an escape button that will quit the PowerPoint and come back to this slide.